getting larger by the day. I see a darkness in my face. I'll drive my car without the brakes. Oh, give me some time. Show me the foothold from which I can climb. Yeah, when I feel low, you show me the signposts for where I should go. I see a mountain in my gates. I see it more and more each day. In my desires that I dress, each day I see it less. Oh, give me some time. Show me the foothold from which I can climb. Yeah, when I feel low, you show me the signposts for where I should go. Through lanes and stone roads, black granite wind blows, fire lake and fire flame, go now but come again. Dark clouds gather round, will I run or stand my ground? Oh, when I come to climb, show me the mountains so far behind. Yeah, it's farther away. Its shadow gets smaller day after day. It's late and I'm awake. I'm staring at the wall. I open up my window. Hand floats out the door. There's no one else around, but a shimmer takes my eye. I lift my head. I'm blinded by the sky. I feel my way in front, just following a sound, but it moves away so fast. I fall down to the ground. I know there's more to come. I jump back to my feet. Now I only see ahead of me. I'm chasing down the street, down the street, down the street, down the street. Whoa.